Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Ram 2500. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 6.7-liter i6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 191,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, and keyless entry. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.